So I done a burping video, as obviously you can see that I said hello. So I'm doing some sentences, but I have to burp them out like this. Full stop. And I got another one which is face. So that's what I in the best for flying in the air. And I got another video, and I got another sentence I like to say. The shop was open. The shop was open. And I got another one. I'm going to try and do the ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I did. And another one is I'm going to try and do my name. My name is Millie. So my name is Millie. My name is Minecraft. My favourite game is Minecraft. So that's it. So smash that like button and subscribe. Well, you can do this one or this one, but I recommend you do this one. And leave a comment. Can you do burping like that? I don't know, but so goodbye then. Bye.